Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking the videos so far. I hope I am being of benefit to you guys. So with this, I would like to just dive deep into the crypto and a little bit of stocks that I have on my watch list, and do not like to waste so much time. So let's start with Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin? We'll see. This was a stronger channel that Bitcoin was operating in. It had several bounces off of it, but now it finally broke down, showing many signs of weaknesses. And so far, it's holding this support at 25,600 to 25,700, or around 26,000. But ultimately, I am thinking that it's going to go down. It's not showing signs of strength. It's showing signs of weaknesses. So it might go down all the way to 22,500 if this breaks down. So watch for that. The levels to watch right now is 25,600 to 25,700. If that doesn't hold, the next level to watch is 22,600 to 22,700. If that doesn't hold, then the next level to watch is 19,500 to 20,000. So please open your trades according to these levels. What you have to do is wait for the bounce, wait for the confirmation, retest, and then once it starts bouncing again, that's when you guys should be opening your trades, and do not ever rush into opening your trades. So with Bitcoin, actually, I just also wanted to let you guys know that for this bear market, my worst case scenario is the 19,500 level. I don't think it's going to go below that again in this bear market. A lot of people are calling for 15,000, 12,000, 8,000. It's just to trap you guys so that you panic sell all of your Bitcoin and they can just buy it back cheaply. So I am actually pretty confident that either this level would hold, or at the worst case, the 19,500 level would hold. And then it's gonna, the next halving for Bitcoin is in April of next year. So we're gonna probably see a huge bounce from there upwards. Again, the bounce that I'm expecting for the next bull market top is gonna be around 120K, 100,000 to 120,000. Not more than that. A lot of people are again calling for 150, 200, 300, 500K, even 1 million even, I've heard. Again, I think that's a load of crap, again, just to sell you videos. Because me personally, I just speak what the charts are telling me and from my experience. I'm not in the mood to sell you videos or like going after the likes and subscribes and all of that. I just want to like share the truth, the right knowledge to you guys. So hopefully you guys don't fall into any kind of other traps. And you guys know that I do this as a hobby. I have my full-time job, and thank God I earn enough money already, so I'm not into like selling these videos or anything like that. So you don't have to be worried if you think I'm going to be doing that. But anyways, enough rambling on that, because it does piss me off that a lot of people try to like take advantage of you guys out there that are not very well aware of the price movements and the predictions. But someone who has a little bit of knowledge, I think it's my duty to share the truth with you guys. So that's for Bitcoin. Again, for Ethereum, what we can see, it's a very similar trajectory right now, showing signs of weaknesses right now. There are two supports that are merging between 1550 and 1600. So those are the levels to watch. I personally don't expect it to hold at this level. And I do think it's going to fall towards the 1300 level. If that doesn't hold, my worst case scenario again is 1118. And that's when the next bull market would start, and this would shoot back up again. Ethereum, personally speaking, I think it can go up to $8,000 to $9,000 in this next bull market. $10,000, a lot of people are again calling for $10,000. I don't think that's reasonable. And $10,000 is also a very round figure, and a lot of people would be thinking that, oh, once it reaches $10,000, that's when I'm going to sell Ethereum. But what's going to happen before it reaches $10,000, that level, the floor is going to break. Either at 9,000, 9,200, 9,600, somewhere just before 10,000. So just to be on the safe side, my figure I have in mind is 9,000. And by 9,000, I would have been sold out of all my Ethereum, and then I'm going to buy back once it goes lower. So that's my plan for Bitcoin, Ethereum. The next altcoins I'll actually dive deeper into my next video, hopefully. But for now, what I can do is go into some of the stocks that I've shortlisted. The first one is PayPal. PayPal is looking really good. I actually personally bought some here at these levels. This channel is a very strong channel. You've seen multiple bounces here for PayPal. Actually, sorry, that was Ethereum, but then this is the PayPal channel. You can see multiple bounces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And then it's bouncing back up again. Do not chase the bounce right now. Wait for a red candle or 2 red candles, and then hopefully you can buy. It's not necessary for it to retest this before it goes and retest the resistance level, which is at $70. So the resistance, watch out for $70. Support, watch out for $55. These are the levels you should be keeping in mind and trading. Nvidia, I am personally not into this stock at all. It's very overpriced. And again, in my last video, I did mention this strong resistance level at around 475. And you can see it went there and got like soundly rejected from there. And I think the earnings are either tomorrow, definitely this week, but I'm not sure if it's tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But it's going to be very volatile earnings. And you'll see the price either shoot up by $50 to $70 at least, or $50 to $70 towards the downside or the upside. This is at least. It can go even to like $90, $100. And I'm not kidding you, honestly. This is a seesaw. It can just go either way. And I, unfortunately, do not have any idea which way this can go. It purely depends on what you see in the earnings. The strongest feelings I have is this stock will dump, because in the last earnings, the expectations that were set for Nvidia were really high. Don't get me wrong, the company is still very strong. The stock is also really good, but short term, I'm not going to take the risk of buying it at this level. So next up is Tesla. What we can see in Tesla is, again, in my last video, I did mention that it's going to bounce from here, and the levels I told you to watch out for is between 208 and 215. And this one came all the way down to $212. It bounced hugely from there. Again, you see a red candle, probably still a good time to buy, and I'm going to be looking to buy this and sell this till it reaches $280, $284. Not before that. Again, a really strong channel. You can see support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bounces here off of this support, and hopefully we can see Tesla break up towards the upside from there. But let's see how the market goes, because generally August and September show signs of weaknesses in the market. But Tesla is very unpredictable, so it might just go all the way back up to $285. Next up, we can watch Apple. So Apple, you can see it came down all the way to the support level at $177, $175, and right now it's trying to break back up, but I don't think it's going to be successful. It might just do a fake out and roll back down under. The next support to watch for Apple is going to be at $162. And personally, I'm not going to buy Apple above this level because I think it's still very, very overpriced. Microsoft, just really quickly, it did break out of this channel. It's probably going down lower to retest this at $316, and then it can bounce back up from there. If it doesn't bounce, the next support sadly is around $241 in my opinion. Nothing really major before that. You can say that probably $294 is some support, but then it's not very strong, I would say. Let me just quickly check that here. If I do draw another support here, it would be somewhere around this level, but 294, 295. But I'm not very confident about this. It can go much lower than that. So the levels to watch for now is especially this one at $317. If it breaks lower, it can go all the way down to $295. Not a strong support, so it can be headed down towards $250. For Meta, it's in no man's land. I think it's definitely heading for another rollover. Going down, the level to watch would be $260. And this is another very strong support because you can see two lines merging. And it has had multiple bounces here, 1, 2, 3. And again, it's a little bit overextended, but I think ultimately it will come back and retest these levels at around 250 to 260. What we can look at Google is it's still operating in this channel since quite a long time. is getting pretty deep. So the deeper it goes, the higher volatility the breakout or the breakdown would be. So the levels to watch right now for support is around $127. If it breaks support, it can be headed lower to 116. If it breaks 116, it can go lower to 108. Those are the levels to watch for Google. And the resistance is still up here at around $132. Amazon is, let's look at our last stock, Amazon, or actually we can even look at Palantir, but let's look at Amazon. Amazon is still in this channel, very strong support here. I would say around the level of $133. It's right on the support. Again, the channel is going really deep, so the break towards the upside or the downside is going to be huge if this does break out, which it would ultimately. The level to watch for resistance is at $140. I am personally thinking this would break towards the upside, but again, I would not buy until it breaks, confirms the breakout, it comes back down, retest, and then comes back up again. That's when I would be buying Amazon. But if it breaks down, the level to watch would be around, again, sadly, $89 is the strongest support I can find. The next one would be around, there's another small one, which is going to be around $126. So we can have a look here really quickly. Yes, this $126, $127, but it's, I would not say it's very strong, but let's see. Palantir, what Palantir is doing, it was able to come back up, but it hasn't really confirmed. It's right on this resistance line at 1465. If it's not able to break out from here, it might go back and retest these levels as support at $12. If it doesn't hold $12, it can go lower to $9, but I think that is the lowest it would go, and ultimately it'll go back higher from here. So resistance is at 1876, 1850 to 1876. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, spread the love, and share it to people who need the knowledge. And thank you so much, guys, for watching till the very end. I'll see you till the next time. Bye.